Creating a restaurant logo in Canva is simple with its user-friendly templates and design tools. Here's a step-by-step guide. Head to Canva and sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. On the left side of the screen, click on the Templates tab. In the search bar, type restaurant logo and press enter. Canva will display a variety of restaurant logo templates. Browse through the templates and choose a design that fits your style. Whether it's a burger shop, coffee house, or a general restaurant, Canva offers many customizable logos. If the template doesn't fit your specific restaurant type, you can change the text. Click on the text box and type the new name of your restaurant. If the logo contains an image or element that doesn't fit your restaurant's theme, go to Elements on the left-hand side. Search for something more appropriate, and replace the image. Simply delete the graphic and drag and drop a graphic from the Elements tab. You can change the color scheme and fonts to match your brand's aesthetic. Click on the text or graphic, and the toolbar at the top allows you to modify colors, fonts, and sizes. Once you're happy with your design, click Share in the top right corner, and select Download to save your logo in formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF.